Configure meeting room amenities and categories for accurate booking and allocation. Resource management begins in the meeting room module, serving as the central registry for facility classification. The workflow moves to amenities to scope bookable resource capabilities. The amenity list consolidates all equipment and facility features. Opening the projector record surfaces its current configuration and inventory state. Edit mode enables master data maintenance for the selected asset. The system enforces validation to maintain catalog integrity. Availability settings control search visibility during booking. Active status authorizes the amenity for use across the facility portfolio. Saving the update commits changes to the central repository. The refreshed list reflects the updated resource configuration. The process continues to meeting room category management. This area defines spatial groupings and intended room usage. Opening the small category loads capacity and classification standards. Edit mode permits controlled adjustments to category definitions. Sequence settings govern display order in booking flows. Active status validates the category for assignment to physical rooms. Saving applies classification logic across the facility hierarchy, supporting consistent room allocation. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.